Hello everybody, Mark Wilson with AMES Tools. Today we're going to talk about the corner roller, the inside corner roller. The corner roller basically is made up of a casting, aluminum casting. It has 4 wheels for rolling the tape on inside corners. On these wheels you have stainless steel outside. On the inside is plastic, solid plastic, so no mud or material will get in there and dry up. And when you're cleaning this, you also want to make sure you get back in behind here any excess compound that does dry on the axle or could get in there to keep the wheels from turning freely. The corner roller has an attachment on the back. It's threaded. It can attach to a standard fiberglass pole just by threading it on. Or a lot of people now use an extendable handle. This extendable handle will get you up higher for reach, but it attaches the same way with the threads. Like so. Pivots this way. So it's outside corner roller.